Well, I guess you're here because you're having a problem with your iPhone. All iPhones, from time to time, have a problem. And one of the great things about Apple is that they have superb support. But before you reach out for support, it might be possible for you to have a look and see if you can solve this problem yourself. I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you might be able to address your problem. With troubleshooting, start simple first. It's easy to forget that we've turned the ringer switch off. Every one of us has made a mistake and pushed the volume down low. It's quite simple to forget that the connection cords are broken or cracked or not working. Check these out before you go any further. Resetting your phone won't solve every problem that an iPhone can have. So before we do the reset, let's do some simple troubleshooting to see if we can't fix the phone without that reset process. If you've done some physical damage to the phone, or it's come in contact with water, a reset is probably not going to help you. If the problem is about a flat battery, or the battery always being flat, or draining too quickly, resetting is unlikely to fix your problem. And third, if the iPhone switches on and it seems to be working, but you can't make a phone call out, to see if you can find the network symbol. If there's no network symbol there, then the issue is going to be about connection, and resetting may not harm but won't help you. But if you're seeing a black screen or a white screen, or the symbol that shows that the apps are still loading, it may well be that resetting may help. A soft reset is fundamentally switching your iPhone off. This allows the system to reset and start again, and solves lots of background issues. Many people do this every week as a matter of routine. The only problem that you might be exposed to is if somehow you've forgotten the passcode. That's the 5-number combination that you use, as well as your Face ID in your iPhones that are so equipped for that, or your fingerprint ID. If you don't know your passcode, it's best to talk maybe to the person who helped you set up your iPhone in the first place, or talk to Apple support, who you'll find very helpful. Please don't proceed without this information, otherwise you're going to finish with 2 problems. The problem you currently have with your iPhone, and the problem that you can't log back in to the Apple system. When you get your passcode, write it down, then do your soft reset, start it up, enter your passcode, and see if your problem is fixed. Let's prepare our iPhone and ourselves for the hard reset. Here are 3 things that you need to be sure of before you start this process. 1, you need your Apple ID. The Apple ID is usually an email and a password. It is the key to unlocking whatever it is that you've agreed to store in the cloud with Apple. In practical terms, it means this, that if you have agreed for Apple to back up your photographs, when you restore your phone, the photographs or the contacts or whatever it is that you've agreed for them to back up will come down to you. But if you've not agreed to any of those things, obviously there won't be any of that information to download. You're going to use quite a bit of data if in resetting your phone you're going to restore photographs that you've stored or contacts and so on. It's best to use a Wi-Fi network for this, so you'll need to know the network's name and its password, and of course you will need to be confident that that Wi-Fi network is secure. So when you've prepared and you're ready, the reset process is going to be quite quick. It's only going to take 30 seconds. The more preparation that you've done, the greater the chance is that this will be as painless as possible. If you're prepared, I think you're ready to go forward. To reset your device, you go to Settings. Settings opens up. You locate General. You run down General. And there is your transfer or reset. You're going to reset. You're going to reset all the settings. You're asked to enter your passcode, which you found before, and now the phone is resetting.